Hello friends. So today we will see the lecture related to crystal structure. In our last video we learned about the lattice. What is meant by 2D lattice and what is meant by 3-dimensional lattice. So this information we already discussed in our last lecture. So we will continue that part, and now we will discuss about the crystal system and crystal structures. So scientist named as Brevis, who invented these crystal systems and crystal structures, who already tell us about crystal systems. 7 different types of crystal systems are there, and 14 different types of crystal structures are available. So this lecture is related to these two topics, that is crystal systems and crystal structures. we start with first crystal system, that is cubic crystal system. And in this first crystal system, out of that 14 crystal structures, 3 structures are related to this cubic. Now, before starting the actual discussion related to these crystal structures, I want to introduce the coordinate system which are mostly used or which are used in this crystal structures. So, in yesterday's lecture, we already see the crystals, lattice. This type of points are available. Lattice points are available. Okay, and along with these points, if we provide some materials like molecules, then atoms or ions at each lattice points, then it is converted into material. So, if we consider near to that lattice points, if we consider the molecules or atoms or ions near to these lattice points, okay. So, if we take this in combine, then we called it as the material. Okay, we called it as material. But condition is that if we take some offset distance near to this lattice point, so at everywhere the molecule or atom is at the maintained at the same distance between two atoms or two molecules or two ions, and if the offset distance is provided up to this much distance is provided here between this point and end of this atom, so everywhere same distance should be maintained there. Okay, this is the requirement, and if you understand this, then we will move next. So, if we consider this is the part from the lattice or complete material. If we take only unit cell, we already discussed what is meant by unit cell in our previous lecture, which is related to lattice. So, here actually 6 different terms available. So, first 3 terms are related to distances. So, if we consider 3-dimensional material or 3-dimensional case, so in that 3-dimensional we required 3 distances, and we called that distance as distance A, distance B and distance C in 3 different directions. So, this direction is A direction, this is B direction and this is C direction. This is if we want to find out the location of particular atom, so this much information is not helpful. We require angles also, at which angle the point is located, like that. So here if we consider the angles between the B distance and C, or between B axis and C axis, this angle becomes alpha angle. If we consider the angle between A axis and B axis, this is gamma angle. Angle between C axis and A axis, this is beta angle. So A, B, C, these distances are required. Along with that, 3 angles are also required. So according to that, it is possible to find out the crystal structures. Then one more question comes in your mind, that why only 14 crystal structures are available? Okay, the answer is that the scientist, that is Bravais, tried different types of geometrical shapes, and try to arrange that shape on or it is also called as stacking of that material. Stacking of material means what? For example, if any shop is there, then in that shop some boxes are available. For example, if a shoe shop is there, then similar type of boxes are available. Okay, and if we arrange that boxes like this, okay, and if we that is, for example, this is cuboidal shaped boxes are available, and if we try to arrange the boxes on one over the other. Okay, so this type of structure is possible. This type of structure is possible, and no gap is available in between two boxes. Okay, no gap is available in between two boxes. So Brevis think like that. So we provide one material over the other material, but we maintain or we remove all the gaps between the another boxes, okay, or another shapes. Then only we consider that is the crystal structure available. Okay. Now imagine if you take the cylindrical type of shape or curved type of shapes. For example, if we take spherical type of shapes. So in spherical type of shape, whether it is possible to fill all the gaps, it is not possible to fill all the gaps if the shape is spherical shape. Some gaps are also or still present like this. This gap is available, here gap is available, here gap is available. Okay, and due to this gaps, this is not come in that crystal structure list. In that 14 types of crystal structure list, curved type of shapes are not available. Why not available? This is the reason. Okay, so if we consider the gaps available in between this type of shape, that is cuboid type of shape, the gaps are not possible here, but gaps are possible in between this curved type of shape. For example, if we take the cylindrical shapes, okay, if we take the cylindrical shapes like this, then here also some gaps are available. Okay, here also some gaps are available. So due to this reason, these curved type shapes are not come under this 14 list. Only this type of shapes are available. Okay, so Brevis think like that. If we stack the structure, geometrical structure, one over the other, there should not be any gap present in between this the complete stacking. Okay, and that is called as crystal structures. So if we observe these boxes from anywhere, okay, and if we consider this type of atoms or molecules, then these atoms, if we see from this direction, then we see similar type of atoms are available through this direction. If we observe from here, there also we see similar type of locations are available. Okay, if we see from here, again similar type of locations are available. So in this way, the Brevis invented this 14 type of crystal structures. Now imagine each and every crystal structure we discuss in this lecture, whether if we arrange all these structures, whether it's possible to remove the gaps in between the stacking. Okay, it is possible. Think about this. Okay, so first crystal system is cubic system. So cube type shapes are available. Okay, what this systems means? Crystal systems means if we consider one of the geometrical shape, then that shape or under that type, if three different types are available, the crystal structures are available. Then the shape is this shape, that is cubic shape. So this system is called as cubic system. Similarly, another type of shapes are available, and so that second system is another geometrical shape is available there. Okay, so this is related to cubic shape. This is related to cubic shape, and so this system is called as cubic system. Okay, so if we consider the first case is related to simple cubic structure. If we consider the simple cubic structure, it is represented with this symbol P. Okay, and shape is like a cube shape, so it is called as cubic system. In case of cubic system, the points and the corners like this. These are the atoms. Okay, and so it is called a simple cubic system. No extra atoms are available in this system. So it is called a simple cubic system. What is this body-centered cubic system? In case of body-centered cubic system, if we consider the atoms are available at the corner like this simple cubic system, but one atom is also available at the center of the cube, center of the whole cube. One more atom is available, that is at the inner point or at the center of this cubic shape. If we join all these points, so all these lines, diagonal lines, passes through this point, and at that location the atom is available. Okay, so this is called as body-centered cubic structure, or this is also called as BCC structure. If we see the syllabus, in that syllabus they mention about this BCC structure. This BCC is nothing but body-centered cubic structure. What is this simple cubic structure? Okay, the simple cubic structure is like this. And what is meant by face-centered cubic structure? In case of face-centered cubic structure is like this. Cube shape is there. At the corners, atoms are available. And if we consider this is one face, so at the center of this face, one more atom is available. If we join these diagonals, then we get that center point. At that center point, the atom is available. Okay. So at each and every face, such type of atoms are available at each face. So this structure, this crystal structure is called as face-centered cubic structure, and which is represented with symbol F, symbol. So how much faces are available in this cube shape? So total 6 faces are available in this cube shape. There is 4 which is on the front side, 1 on top side and 1 on bottom side. So total 6 faces are available, and in that 6 faces, at every face, at the center point, one atom is available. So it is called as face-centered cubic structure. So one crystal system ends here. And if we see this distances in A, B and C direction, if we see the distances in A, B and C direction, the distance is this A distance, which is equal to B distance, which is equal to C distance. If all these distances in all 3 directions are same, the shape is cubic shape. And if the angles between this axis C to B is alpha, A to C is beta and A to B is gamma, if these 3 angles are 90 degrees, then this is called as cubic structure. And in that cubic structure, according to the atoms present, this is again classified into 3 different structures, that is simple, body-centered and face-centered cubic structure. Okay, understood this? Okay, so we'll move our second type of crystal system, that is tetragonal crystal system. Okay. So our second type of crystal system out of that 7 system becomes tetragonal cubic system. Sorry, tetragonal system. And if we see the types under the tetragonal system, so two different types of crystal structures are there. And what are the names of that crystal structures? First structure out in that tetragonal structure, that is the fourth type of crystal structure, becomes simple tetragonal structure, that is P. It is represented with simple structure is represented with P symbol. And what is the property in this tetragonal shape? The property is the distance A and B is same. There is two distances out of this A, B, C. The two distances becomes similar, and not third distance is similar to this or another two distances. That is A is equal to B, but A and B is not equal to C distance. Okay, and the angles become same, like alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma is equal to 90 degree. If we refer this system, so A distance and B distance is constant. So if we consider this is A distance and this is B distance, so these two distances are constant, but not this third distance, that is C distance, is constant. Okay, so this is the important property here. So A is equal to B, but it is not equal to C. And if we consider the angles, this alpha, gamma and beta, okay, this alpha, gamma and beta angles, all these angles becomes 90 degree, similar to here. And here this is the simple type of shape, so it is called as simple tetragonal shape. And here this is body centered tetragonal shape. So at the body of this tetragonal shape, one atom is available at the center. Okay, if we again join these diagonals, then all these diagonals passing through this point, and at that location the one atom is available, and so it is called as body centered tetragonal structure, which is represented, symbolic representation becomes I. Now one more question comes to your mind, that why face centered tetragonal structure is not available here? The reason is that this is actually related to lattice. This is related to lattice. So in that lattice, what happens if any person observes that atoms or points from any direction? Okay, the distances should be constant distances. Now in this case, if we consider tetragonal shape, and if we consider the face centered, so in case of face centered, this face is different dimensions, this face is different dimensions. So if we arrange all this tetragonal shape one over the other, if we take stacking, then and if we observe from another point, then distances are not constant. These distances are not constantly maintained, so that it is difficult to arrange this stacking, and this is the reason now face centered is not considered here. Only simple tetragonal and body centered tetragonal, this structure, crystal structures are available.